Component number one, and the most basic one, is endurance, which is basically the ability of your core to be able to do what it needs to do over a period of time without fatigue. So it's just a case of coming down into exercises like planks. So these are very simple, like planks, and just holding for as long as you can. Now, there are ways of starting and progressing, and you've got to understand where to start. So the easiest start would be on the knees. So that would be the easiest start. But also, if you want to make it slightly easier again than just holding for 30 seconds, you would hold for say 3 lots of 10-second blocks with a 5-second rest in between. So you go 10-second hold, 5-second rest, 10-second hold, 5-second rest, 10-second hold. There's your 30 seconds. Once you've got to that point, what you can then do is do the same, but 10 seconds in a full plank, 5 seconds in a kneeling, 10 seconds in a full plank, 5 seconds in a kneeling, 10 seconds in a full plank. So all these ways, or all these little progressions, are helping you build the endurance. Because what you don't want to do is completely fatigue the torso. What you want it to do is you want it to feel a little bit of a burn and then take it away. Feel a bit of a burn, take it away, and build its ability to withstand that fatigue. So by doing the little intervals of 10 seconds, you're building that infrastructure in the muscles to engage, create the waste product, then take it away, and then engage, create the waste product, take it away. Building that infrastructure. What that then does, that allows you then to go up to the, let's just say, full 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds with that infrastructure in place. And then what can start to happen is you can do it at much longer periods. So 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 30 seconds on. So endurance is a very simple way of building the initial parts of the core you need. But all these endurance parts are going to help you in later stages, if you will. So when we start talking about in part 4 and 5, all of what you've done here is going to be assisting what you're going to be doing later on.